Hello friends, I'm Divyans and today I'm going to tell you how to make your own origami bird. Now to make this craft you need a creased paper like this. Now how to crease this paper? First step is to fold it in half and take the crease and turn it and fold this in half and take the crease. The next step is to fold it diagonally and take the cross creases. And take the crease. Now the next step is to turn it and fold these inside to make a diamond. And my next step is that I'm gonna fold this down and take the crease, this down and take the crease, and you need to fold this down. The next step is a bit difficult. You should open this and make a diamond like this. You need to do the same with this side also. Fold this in, fold this in, fold it down, open it, open this and make the diamond. And now the next step is to fold this down and fold it this way. And now for the wings you take one of this. There are 3 of these, so you take one of this and fold it back, and for the other wing you turn it and take the another one and fold this back. Now we have 2 wings, and for the beak you open this right here, keep it like this and fold it in and fold this back. Now the bird is over. If you want, you can also decorate it like this. Subscribe.